And I'm Josh. Today we are going to turn an ordinary egg into a rubbery egg. We are also going to talk about osmosis.
You're gonna need an egg,
A clear cup, vinegar,
ruler, pencil,
a spoon, and paper. So first,
measure
we're
the
going
egg.
to measure the egg. Yeah. Jonathan, can you hold the egg? Okay. Now we are going to measure it in centimeters. So that's about 6 centimeters. We're going to round it to 6 centimeters. Our egg is 6 centimeters long. Then put the egg carefully into the cup. Then pour the vinegar into the cup. Pour enough vinegar so that it can cover the whole egg. Like about that much.
Then wait for 24 hours. See you later.
Bye.
Whoa, the egg is huge. Josh, come here.
Wait, what happened? Whoa, wow, the egg is huge. The egg changed a lot, man. The egg grew larger and it has risen to the top. There's also foamy bubbles covering the egg. Let's take it out.
Okay.
Alright, let's carefully take it out with a spoon. Man, I'm getting nervous. Now, carefully wash the egg. Don't rub too hard on the egg, or else because the membrane is way too fragile. So rub gently. Don't apply too much pressure.
I can see the yolk. That's amazing.
Now, carefully.
Let's measure it.
Yeah, let's measure it. Alright, you can put this.
It was 6 centimeters last time, right?
Yes. Now, wait. Without using a ruler, we're gonna have to, without touching the egg, we have to, now,
I
measure
can
it.
still measure it.
Measure it. No, in centimeters.
In centimeters.
It is about, it grew from 6 centimeters to 6.5 centimeters. So 6.5 centimeters. So the change over time is 0.5 centimeters. You can also see the yolk inside the egg, and you can squish it and bounce it too.
That's really amazing.
Yeah,
Now you bounce it too.
but not too high or else it will break. The membrane is very, very fragile.
Oh, it's very pretty.
Yeah, it's quite a sight to see, and it's also very translucent.
Wow. It's very elastic. Let me drop it.
Wow, it's also very bouncy, and it has a rubbery feel. I want to see the illumination. Well, let's turn off the lights.
You want to see something?
Yeah, sure. Whoa, how did you do that? That's magic. Anyways, the egg is illuminating. It's like a bright egg. And
You can see the
yolk. The dark spot is actually the yolk. And You can use this as a night light. In the experiment, you saw bubbles were formed around the egg. This is because the vinegar has reacted with the eggshell. The vinegar dissolved the shell, which formed foaming carbon dioxide bubbles. Let me explain this in the chemical equation. Vinegar has acetic acid and the eggshell has calcium carbonate. When acetic acid and calcium carbonate react, they produce water, carbon dioxide, and calcium acetate. You see the bubbles on the surface of the egg, which is carbon dioxide in gas form, in the water. After the shell is dissolved by the vinegar, the egg is exposed to water. The water goes into the egg, and that is why the egg gets larger.
That is because of osmosis.
Wait, what's osmosis?
Osmosis is the water movement through a membrane. Water moves from a high concentration side of the membrane to the low concentration side. Let's imagine this is the egg membrane. The egg membrane is the semi-permeable. There's the inside of the egg and the outside of the egg. In the inside of the egg, there are protein molecules and water molecules. On the outside of the egg, there are much more water molecules than the inside of the egg and calcium acetates. The calcium acetates and protein molecules can't go through the membrane because they are too big to go through the membrane. But the water can go through the membrane because they're small enough. There is the high concentration side and the low concentration side of water. The high concentration side of water is there are much more water molecules than inside of the egg. Because there are more water molecules outside of the egg, they move into the egg through the membrane. That is why you see the egg grow larger.
Now I understand osmosis. Thanks, bro. Science makes sense.